everyone, it's Liz, and today I'm going to be showing you how to create your own custom search engine on Google and also show you how you and your students can conduct research using Google Advanced Search and Google Scholar. So let's get started. So here I am in my search page, ready to create my custom search engine. As you can see, I have a few websites already picked out that I want to add to my search engine. So in order to create it, all I have to do is type in the search bar cse.google.com. So searching that, and it will take me to this page. So now I just click on Create a Custom Search Engine. And now I am ready to input my websites. So I'm just going to copy and paste the URL, all 4 of them. There we are. Now I'm ready to create. But first I'm going to rename it. I'm going to name it Penguin Project. Alright, so there are 3 things I can do. I can add it to a site, view it on the web, or modify the search engine. I'm going to view it on the web, so I'm going to click Public URL. And here is the URL that I can add to Google Classroom if I wanted to, or send it an email. And this is also saved under my account. Here it is, Penguin Project. And there's my custom search engine. Now I'm going to show you how to use the advanced search setting on Google. This is actually very simple for you or your students to use when conducting research. So I just click down on Settings and click on Advanced Search. So you'll see there are many different specific things I can put in. I can narrow my results by language, by region, by time it was updated. I can also conduct a safe search, where instead of showing the most relevant results, I can filter explicit results. I can also update usage rights to free to use or share. And then I can conduct my search. Now I'm going to show you how to use Google Scholar. All I have to do is put in scholar.google.com, and here it is. So when you search, you'll see there are lots of different articles that are already peer-reviewed that appear. Now, if you find any articles that you would like to save, all you have to do is click on the star, and you will be able to access it right here. You are also able to cite it very easily if you click on the little quotes at the bottom. It will show you MLA, APA, Chicago, any of the formats that you need. You can also see related articles just by clicking here. And there you have it. That's how to use a custom search engine, advanced search, and Google Scholar. Thanks for watching. I hope this was useful.